guys, I have my little Valentine's bags that I made for my first floor. That's where they had in their little files. So we have little files aquí por nosotros, and this is where I'm gonna leave them. Let's open this. Oh my god, so cute. Please, 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 can you be my Valentine? Happy Valentine's. Here's to being single, but at least we can use that other layovers for free drinks. All the little candy bags. Good morning, guys, and welcome to another video. I'm actually already at the airport. I came downstairs to drop off some Valentine goodies for some of my flight attendant sisters. Pero ahorita, oh, and thank you, Brie, for my little Valentine card. Pero ahorita voy a subir to try and grab some coffee before our flight. It is 6:40 in the morning and I'm super tired.
Corey drove his car to drop us off home.
You guys, me estoy muriendo de calor. Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Ahorita ya me encuentran in my layover hotel. We're actually laying over in San Jose. It's the start of a 3-day trip. Well, on this 3-day trip, our layovers are San Jose and Nashville, Tennessee. So Nashville, Tennessee, I'm super excited for because I think the girls want to go out in Nashville. I've never gone out nightlife in Nashville, and I know it's really famous for the honky tonk. I know it's really famous for live music in general. They have a lot of live music bars and restaurants. I'm actually working with two of my classmates, as in we went through training together, we earned our wings together, got on the line together. So super exciting to work with classmates after we've been in the industry for so long, just running into each other, working this trip together. We've been having such a blast. Today our report was at 6:40 in the morning and we had 3 legs, so 3 flights: San Francisco, LA, Portland to San Jose. And I thought I would be super exhausted and low energy, and catching up on all of the changes in our personal life and what we've been up to and our family members, that the time literally flew by. And I know that they're gonna want to go in Nashville, which is what I'm also really looking forward to. But yeah, this is the start of a 3-day trip. It's actually a pretty quick 3-day because the layovers aren't too long. Both of the layovers are about 13 hours, so nothing crazy long. I'll take you guys along on this quick little 3-day and we'll see what we get into. How much hair are you trying to shave? In between flights, just chilling here watching the planes take off.
Amanda will know this.
It's a video. What are you doing? Alright, we are in for a treat. We are in for a treat.
Sorry.
Coming to you live.
This is peer pressure.
Our finest, our best, our sexy little dancer. Live entertainment on today's flight to Nashville.
Surprise!
No, this is Corey. Thanks for the drink. I appreciate it. Not sure what home base.
This is torture for me. It's torture.
Our friend lost her voice.
It's torture.
Did you take a picture of my love note and put it on the internet?
No, that's private.
Your vlog.
Yes.
Getting plowed, tractor.
That's the what?
Getting plowed.
Getting plowed?
Yeah.
Just made it to Nashville. Let's see the view.
That's the thing for another day.
Send me all your stuff so I don't have to take any.
You can have a bar bite.
All your videos and pictures, just send me so I don't have to take any.
Just put it on the group chat. We're trying to look for a spot that we can get food and drinks. We're walking down Broadway out east. It's kind of reminding me of Austin, Texas.
Oh, your picture. Go with that.
Go!
Does it look touristy?
It's cute! We're trying to look for a place that has food. Porque queremos comer primero. Hey, that's the honky tonk. Food bar?
That party bus?
Oh, yeah, that's cute.
Hey, look, there's Margaritaville.
We're not going there. They have that everywhere.
What is the reason? She's my pride and joy. She's my sweet little baby. I'm her little boy.
Right now, probably slow dancing with the beach blonde tramp, and she's probably getting dressed. Right now, she's probably buying her some fruity little drink, cause she can't shoot a whiskey. Right now, she's probably at the house with a pool stick, showing her how to shoot a combo. Here we go. I stuck my key into the side of this pretty little souped-up four-wheel drive. Carved my name into his leather seat.
I'll keep skiing with a horse riding cowboy. And the girl sings, take a horse riding cowboy.
Can compete Jolie? Y'all know the words. Talks about you listening. There's nothing I can do to keep this crowd where they calling me Jolie. Please, I take my man, but you don't know what he means to me, Jolie.
Big wheels keep on turning. No need to put them down. Well, I hope Neil Young will remember. In muscle shows they have to sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Making love out my legs to our favorite song. Sipping whiskey out the bottle. I wouldn't know. Sit back here, ain't nobody got past friends. I ain't the war saying, come on somebody, why don't you run? I played up my guard and slid down a letter to my cousin up in Tennessee. Yeah, I came right down a blue tin can. She was pretty as she could be.
As the newest member of One World Alliance, we are happy to have you with us today on Flight 168 service to Seattle. Your crew today is Captain Rick and First Officer Zane. My name is Guadalupe. Just as you leave the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down sharply on the red tabs. You can also manually inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. A light will activate in the water. Federal law requires you to comply with all member instructions, lighted signs, and posted placards. Smoking, vaping, using chewing tobacco, and consuming your own alcohol are prohibited.